Hello and welcome to TubeNews. A UK grandmother has been left with several facial burns after a drain cleaner exploded in her face, according to the reports. Well, Alice, what do you think of this?
Well, Sheila Inch from Southampton had poured 2 drops of the store-bought product into her sink when it sparked a chemical reaction. I read the instructions and put 2 drops in. We hadn't used any other product that day, only the plunger, she told the Daily Mail. It started to bubble, so I turned around to see what was happening, and it exploded. It hit my ceiling and went straight into my face. The grandmother of 10 was left with second-degree burns across her face, and doctors have told her she cannot go out in the sun for a year.
Well, that is terrible. I hope she is okay. How is she?
She should be okay soon enough. Too bad she can't have a summer tan. Back to you, Mel.
Well, actually, have you heard of the new Wolf Quest game? First there was Amethyst Mountain. Well, it hasn't come out yet, but it will soon. First there was Amethyst Mountain, then Slow Creek, and now there's going to be a third one. I'm very excited to play it.
Do you have any information on it for us, Mel?
Yeah, actually I do. There's a competition where people get to say what they want the new Wolf Quest to be like. I think I might join.
Anyway, on to you, Egg and Harp, for the weather report.
Well, you already know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Herc told you Thursday.
That's me! Well, that's all for today, folks. See you later, folks. Comment, rate, and subscribe, y'all.